There is a call for Jamaica's quarantine restrictions for horses to be more lenient as Barbados as one way to help the Diamond Mile attract the international interest similar to that of the Barbados Gold Cup. Denise Walters has the details.
The Diamond Mile has a total purse of US $115,000 or over 15 million Jamaican dollars, which makes it the richest purse in the English-speaking Caribbean, trumping the Gold Cup's total purse of US $100,000. The maximum field for the Diamond Mile is 16, of which 4 positions are for horses domiciled in Barbados and Trinidad since January 1, 2018, each country getting 2 positions. Now, Chris Armand, SVRL's Director of Racing, says he wants Jamaica to take a page out of Barbados' book, as their quarantine rules are more lenient than Jamaica's, and their richest race day, the Gold Cup, attracts international investors.
Their quarantine restrictions are a little bit more flexible than ours. And of course, there are very big owners, international owners, who reside in Barbados for half the year down there. The Coolmore Group, which outside of the sheiks in Dubai are the biggest investors in horse racing globally. And they also bring horses down for their races. There was a Canadian by the name of Eugene Melnick who lives in Barbados. He also brought horses down for it. And Ken and Sarah Ramsey, who are people we are speaking to right now in America, have brought horses down for their Gold Cup in the last 5 years.
However, Armand says despite 2 positions also available for horses being imported directly to Jamaica from any other recognized racing jurisdiction and interest from North America, there are quarantine issues in returning the horses after they have raced in Jamaica, specifically from North America.
The situation with America and Canada is that if the horses come from North America to Jamaica, there is no guarantee that they'll be allowed back into North America. And that is something the ministry or the division of the Ministry of Agriculture in America would have to say, yes, they can come here and come home. We can't say that.
Meanwhile, acting senior Jamaica Racing Commission veterinarian at Caymanas Park, Dr. Sophia Ramlal, says there is hope that those quarantine restrictions may soon be lifted.
The disease that has been of concern to the U.S. is pyroplasmosis, commonly known as tick fever. Maybe 10, 15 years ago, that disease was not very common in the U.S., but it is very much there now. And so there's been some relaxing, certainly for the upcoming Classico, there's been some relaxing, and they're allowing some level of quarantine for horses that are tick fever positive. And whether or not that will apply to racing horses is something that is being investigated.
The Diamond Mile is set for December 1 and has automatic entries for the immediate past winner, the winners of the Jamaica Derby, Super Stakes, the Caribbean Sprint Championship, and the Invitational Mile. For TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walters.